What's up, buddy? What do you think of the Razor Pro R 4-seat Ultimate? It's good. You like it? I didn't scare you though, huh? Well, we're out here in El Mirage for the day. We brought the kids. CJ's here. He brought his kids, and then our buddy Alfred's here. He brought his kids. It's just a little kid get together there having fun, and then we're doing the occasional riding too. So not driving fast, not doing anything crazy, just enjoying our time with our sweet kids. What's up, Aaliyah? All right, we're gonna head back in just a second. I just want to remind you guys that we are having the Black Friday sale. It's going on right now, and there's a lot of amazing companies that are up to 25% off, and many of them are at 20%, some of them at 15%, and basically site-wide at 10%. You don't need any discount codes to save. As soon as you add an item to your cart, the price will change. So like I said, Baja Designs, UTV Stereo, LMUTV, those companies are at 20% off right now. And we have others like Chupacabra Off-Road, TMW, and numerous companies. They will be 15% off. I'm gonna leave them all in the comment section down below, all the discounts, so you guys can go over there, jump on the website, and save yourself some money. Furthermore, we will be in Glamis this following Friday, the day after Thanksgiving. I'll be out there, so expect another video in Glamis later on this week. A beautiful day. It rained last night, very little, but just enough so there's not a ton of dust in the air. There was windy a second ago. Now it's calm. Knock on some wood, because I don't want it to get windy. You know what I mean? But it was really nice last night. We were hoping it would be really damp, so we would have no dust. There is some a little bit, but not too much. It's just a beautiful freaking day, man. It's like 60 right now. I'm about to take this jacket off. It's starting to get warmed up with the sun, but overall, good times. We got the Razor Pro R. This is the last time you're gonna see this machine in this form. We got something new going on right here in this area, and something new going on in this area. This is our loaner that Poleros let us borrow. We've had it for 3 months, 4 months. We're gonna have it for another 5 months. And then after that, maybe, who knows what happens with this machine, but I'm definitely digging it. And it's gonna look a lot nicer in about a few weeks. You'll see it again. In Glamis, we're gonna take the Maverick R. But then the trip after that, we'll probably take this Pro R out again. And definitely gonna have a new look to it. I'm excited. Guess the color. That's all I'm gonna say. Guess the color. These are about a month old for my Glamis trip. They don't go bad. It tastes good. Japanese style peanuts.
Then check this out. Gotcha, bitch.
Oh. The drone hit your dad in the face. Huh? The drone hit your dad in the face.
I really don't care.
He oh my god, you almost ran over my foot. His dad got hit in the face by that in the eyebrow.
Damn, dude, I effed you up. Let me see.
You should see the other guy, fool.
Oh my god, your nose, your forehead.
You should see the other guy, fool.
What did Adriel say?
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. Here at El Mirage, next to the dry lake bed. I think the dry lake bed's closed because there was a little bit of rain yesterday. We didn't really go on it anyways. Been going through the little trails over here. Just catching some speed. Aaliyah wanted to go fast, so I took her on a little trip. My wife was out there with her cousin and her aunt here from Mexico, so showing them around. The yoke is still pretty nice. I haven't been recording a whole bunch. My arm's jacked up, boys. I can barely freaking move my arm, or else I'd be helping Alfred right now with his charge tube that blew off.
I don't know why that happened.
Nice job, Alfred. Sucker. Overall, it's just been a nice little trip with the family. CJ hooked it up with a couple noodles for everybody.
My hero!
Out here is like eating fine dining, you know?
Fine dining.
Little chili, warm cup of noodles. It's awesome. You get it? All right, so like I said, this is a simple day trip. On Friday, I'm taking off the Glamis, and that should be a lot of fun. Hopefully my arm is better by then. I don't know what's wrong with my arm. It's like the joint at my shoulder is effed up. I don't know. I woke up like that since yesterday. But yeah, we'll probably take the Mavar to Glamis just because swapping the tires is a pain in the ass. And then I think I'm gonna borrow Oscar's trailer because the Mavar doesn't fit in my trailer. So I have my trailer for sale if anybody needs a trailer, 16 foot. It's a really well built trailer. I gotta sell it though because it doesn't fit the Maverick R with paddles. It's at 91 inches wide, super wide. All right, we're gonna go for another little ride. CJ's gonna be leading this one with Dirty Dream. We got Alfred in his X3 Max. I'll be driving the Pro R, and then I got my my wife's cousin. She's never been in one of these before. My wife took her out earlier, but my wife drives slow.
Bang, bang, bang.
And I'll just take her for a little ride just so she can experience what it's like. It's a Pro R. I'm talking shit. She drives fast. But yeah, we're gonna go to a little anthill. Just a cool, chill time, you know? You alright, buddy? I hit TJ earlier with the freaking drone. You ran into it.
I ran into it.
No, he was standing still and I was getting video of this and it was going sideways so you couldn't see him on the camera. And the freaking right in his nose, his forehead, he's all jacked up.
Even if you had seen this coming, there's nothing you could have done about it.
Oh well. Let's roll.
I spend my days in despair, for in my mind you're still there. When nights turn cold and blue, how will I live without you?
It's why I saw this one hit hard. Or not hit hard, but the dust went.
You said the silhouette.
I went around.
Who won?
Man, look at you, boy. Oh my God, I thought he was dirty. Look at your hands. Jesus Christ. Oh my God, right in your face, right in your face, right in your face. The girls are playing with mud. Overall, good trip. Woo, my arm is killing me though.
I'm tired of you yapping.
Check these out. I want to show you guys these Billet NRP Nitro Racing products, hose replacements for the VP style tanks. And you know, typically these come with a plastic fitting that goes into a clear tube, another plastic fitting, and then a white little cap. Well, mine are already dry rot, so I snapped mine off up here. On another one I snapped it down here, you know, which is typical. The sun eats everything. Well, the sun is not going to eat these Billet ones. I can't say that for the hose. I don't know how long the hose will last, but it seems to be a really high quality with some sort of material in there. gives it a little bit of springivity, so it doesn't really kink up. You see that? I'm trying to bend it and it doesn't kink. These are really nice. They're not cheap. They are made in the USA and they're pretty good products. So if you guys want to check these out, they do take a while to get though. They are not always in stock, but order them now for the future. I highly recommend them. I got a couple of them and I was happy with the actual design. Everything's like knurled. See that? Can you see that? We wasted half a tank, so I'm gonna fill her up just in case. Well, this video is probably gonna release on Thanksgiving, so I want to wish you guys all a happy Thanksgiving to you, your family, and your friends. Not all of us have family, not all of us have friends. Maybe you got a big family, maybe you only got a big group of friends. But regardless, hope you have a good time with your loved ones and your people that you care about. So happy Thanksgiving from G Life. Yeah, the Black Friday sales are on. That's great. But at the end of the day, as long as everybody's in good health and your family's doing 100%, that's always good to hear. So work hard, play hard, stay healthy, stay dirty. Oh, these things work, dude. Oh my goodness. Just realized this flows a lot faster because it doesn't get kinked up.
Have you switched sides? Are you team Pro R now?
Yeah. Pro R.
Did we all flip over?
You Pro R or Can-Am? Razor or Can-Am?
Are you gonna kiss that?
Razor or Maverick?
Why are you asking me that?
Why are you asking me that? You've been in both cars before. Oh yeah, you wanna fight? Let's crack it, fool. 1, 2, 3. Hadouken! Oh! Hey, what's up, big guy? You gonna drive the Razor or not? Go drive it.
I'll go take it for a spin right now.
Sweet. What in the hell? Freaking grilling?
Yeah, it's a little fajitas real quick.
Yeah, CJ freaking grilling some chicken fajitas. Fajitas. The sun's out here. Oh man, but it's like fresh. Beautiful weather, perfect weather. Rock thrower right here. Stick picker upper. Better not poke yourself with that thing, dude. We'll be out a few hours and then I think we're gonna head home. Call it a day. Just a nice little morning rip. Little dust in our face. Breathing that fresh air. Kids having fun. Go home, shower, and relax. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving and we're gonna eat. Alright, Alfred, you have a Can-Am X3 RR. What'd you think of the Razor? Pro R.
Fun. Very responsive. I don't know.
The suspension's pretty good too, huh?
Very, yeah.
Trade it in.
That was fun.
Trade in the X3. Fuck it. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. We'll see you in Glamis. Happy Thanksgiving. Alright, we got a little bit of a problem. We broke off a whip. Yeah, I'll go find it. I want CJ to drive the car anyway, so let's go get it. We're about to leave too. See, we're all packed up. Oh man, you're a big guy. Rock crawling, huh? Alright, CJ, 10 words or less. Describe this piece of junk.
Like you're driving a Cadillac, bro.
Like a Cadillac?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
spend my days in despair.